Hello, are you in the stone and concrete industry? Are you currently looking for a new system for material requirements planning, manufacturing accounting, production planning and scheduling, and inventory management? SAP Business One might be a good fit for you. Here in my system currently, we have the ability to set up bill of materials and track everything in our overall production section under bill of materials. There are many different types of bill of materials that you can create, but I'm going to show you an example of a bill of material with my system. Here, if I select my item that I'd like to create, you can see the bill of material populates. I have the ability to issue components from a backflush standpoint or manually. It'll track production standard cost. Again, I have multiple different types of overall bill of material types. And then on my line level, I can have a resource, an item, a text, or a route stage. You can see those options here. When it comes to tracking labor time or machine time, that's going to be stored in our resource master data. To show you that, here's an example of our resource master data where it's going to track time per unit of measure, and I have the ability to set capacity by my warehouse level, or I can set my capacity here by shift level. If it's a labor, I'll track the employee information. If it's a machine, I'll track the fixed asset information. So that's a little bit about production, bill of material, and scheduling. What's nice is this bill of material automatically populates on a work order, where here's an example of a production order overall, pulling that bill of material over where I'm issuing my goods to the shop floor and reporting completion time. And in my summary tab, the system is keeping track of the overall work in progress inventory and overall production cost. And I can view that production cost details within my system, as well as I can right click on any document, view the relationship map, and see what is the receipt as well as the issue for that production order. I also have the ability to run requirements planning for the system. I can base that off of forecast or by specific item. I can create scenarios within the system, run the scenario, and it's going to tell me what needs to be purchased or made to avoid bottlenecks. If I expand this report, I can see the pegging information that a production order needs to be created for a quantity of 15. This is all stored in the item master data, this information, where if I go into my item master data for this specific parent item, I can view first my inventory management of what's been ordered, what's in stock, what's committed for available quantity. I can set minimum maximum inventory levels, as well as finally set my overall material requirements planning initial settings here. This concludes my high level video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Navigator Business Solutions. We'd be happy to answer or address any questions that you have. Thank you.